Hi again, everyone. So, as I told you in the previous video, sometimes you need to use or you need to use your files, so you need to use your works done inside of the virtual lab program. But the problem is your data or your works done are inside of your private folder. It means that you need to open your data and you need to open this, but you cannot drag it outside of your computer, I mean your virtual computer, to your own machine. So it means that you need to find some way to copy or to move your files outside of your virtual lab program. You can use the email attachment and you can use some other program so enables you to connect or have the access from your computer, your computer itself to the Ace drive. But the best way sometimes is using the cloud service. So the cloud service means the syncing your file. So if you use your cloud service and if you upload some of your file, then it will sync your file on the online storage area. So you can use the OneDrive, you can use the Google Drive or Dropbox. You can use whatever. So you can use whatever more convenient and available for you. So let me show you the OneDrive first. So because I usually use OneDrive or Dropbox, the Google Drive, I use that, but sometimes there is some verification errors, so that's why I'm not using that. So let's suppose that you are using the OneDrive, and this is so in this screen, this is the virtual lab program, as you can see. So in the web browser, the login, the OneDrive. If you use the Dropbox, maybe you can do it. So I will show you later. So let's see, and this is the virtual lab, and as you can see, I already logged in the cloud service in my own computer. So let's say on this one, the virtual lab is a virtual computer, and outside, so my own machine, your own machine will be your computer. So let's do it. So in case you wanna have some space kind of to change or bringing your works done in the virtual computer outside of your computer. So also from your virtual computer to your own computer, you need to have some space. So whatever inside of your virtual computer and inside of your own computer in the cloud service, you can create the folder, and maybe you can make it as SOC 299, the data is the same, and statistics. All right. Okay. So it shows that you created a new folder as here. So did you see? So it's creating, right? So once you create something inside of your cloud service, so in here, the OneDrive, you can create a new folder inside of your virtual computer, and then it will automatically update your cloud service area. So you can see here. So whatever you put inside or outside of your virtual computer, you can exchange and you can share, you can keep your files online. All right. So in our new folder, you can see this folder is empty. But let's suppose that you wanna so maybe it's not very useful because you don't have your SPSS program, but just showing as example. Drag it and then just see. All right. So in your folder. So inside of the folder, so by using your virtual lab program, virtual lab computer, you open the cloud service and you tried to save your file here. So inside of the 299 data analysis and statistics folder, you copy it. I mean, you put your own work done in the virtual lab program, and then you copied that in here, right? So let's see. Outside of your virtual computer, so now it's your, let's suppose that this is your own computer. Okay, then as you can see, this file is here. All right. So if you want to do, so sometimes you need to stop your working in the virtual lab program, and then you would need to do something there in your own computer. You can do that. Or in opposite, sometimes you want to use your file. So you want to use your file on done in your own the main computer or some other computer. But if you want to use something inside, so if you want to bring some file to your virtual lab program, you can do in the same way. So, okay, outside of the virtual lab program, so this is my own computer on the Dropbox and the Gettysburg College. So let's copy some file. So maybe lecture file. Sometimes you want to save my lecture file here. This is the lab, and copy here. So from my own computer, so main computer, I just copied one item and I saved my file here. And let's see what's happening here. All right. So, okay, as you can see. So interchangeably from the virtual computer to your main computer or in opposite. Anyway, if you use the cloud service, you can continue your work from the virtual computer and then you can bring them in your main or own computer. So sometimes if you prefer using some the documents, the process and the word processors outside of your virtual computer because of the slow speed or something, you can use this kind of the cloud service to keep your files up to date. So there are other ways such as using the email, but using the cloud service is always better, I think. It's very same. So if you want to use the Google, the Dropbox, you can do it in the same way. Go to Dropbox and let me open my Dropbox in outside there, but maybe Gettysburg College. Let me try to create some files. So you can just follow in this way. Inside. So I mean inside of the virtual program and virtual computer. Let's create. So let's create some folder here. So I'm working inside of the virtual computer. Should create folder as example of cloud service. All right, and create. So this is the new folder inside. So I did it inside of the virtual program and then do the same. I'm loading my file. All right. So inside of the new the folder I created in the Dropbox, which is kind of the cloud service, I uploaded here. And then outside of my virtual computer, maybe I can log in. So I'm working on my own the main computer. As you can see, the Gettysburg, I'm going to the folder I just created. Okay, here. All right. So my file is here. So whatever you do, so OneDrive, whatever you use as OneDrive or the Dropbox or Google Drive, you can always use your cloud service to keep your files and use your files interchangeably. All right. So you can bring your file from the virtual lab to your own computer, and in the opposite, you can do those things. All right. So this is the way to keep your files or to use your files interchangeably. All right. So always you can ask any questions and via email or just let me know if you have any questions or concerns. All right. Thank you for your time and see you in class or see you in the next video.